First of all, regarding the CCTVs, we have recently installed around 10 CCTVs in the Boucher Road, which is a very shady area, and a lot of dumping of garbage and debris is also taking place. So there we have started this campaign. Secondly, we will be moved towards the Jhalupada area, near the taxi stand and all those areas where the drug issue is also on a very higher side. So we will plan in that area, and later on we'll move towards the Paltan Bazaar area also. So this is our plan. We have done the part of Boucher Road, and we'll move simultaneously to other areas also. As of now, we have put 10 in Boucher Road. In Jhalupada, we are planning another 10, and in Pandal Bazaar, in the second, then third phase, we'll plan around 10 to 15.